Hey guys, welcome to CodeBode. So after data types and variables, let's study about operators. And we are going to see all the operators in Java in the upcoming video. But in this video specifically, let's learn about unary operators in Java. So let's open our program on Eclipse IDE. So here we had performed arithmetic operations on the two numbers and printed the result. Now the term arithmetic operations itself suggests that we have already used arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. So you know how to use arithmetic operators by now. So no need to explain this further. You can practice as much as you want with the arithmetic operators. But before the arithmetic operators, the precedence is taken by unary operators. That means if you have both arithmetic and unary operators in one statement, unary operators executes first. So what are unary operators? Let's see. So there are two types of unary operators, prefix and postfix. We will see prefix first. So let's take a variable, say I, and give it a value of 10. Unary operator increments or decrements the value of variable by 1. It is denoted by plus plus and minus minus. Plus plus means the value is incremented by 1 and minus minus means it is decremented by 1. Now prefix means we are going to append unary operator before the variable. Let's check how. So I'm going to say sysout plus plus I. Plus plus is before I, so it is a prefix operator for incrementing the value by 1. So this statement will make the value of I to 11. Note here that we don't need to do I equal to plus plus I. Simply saying plus plus I will also change the value of I. On the next line, let's say sysout minus minus I. So this is for decremented the value. So it will change from 11 to again 10 on this statement. Let's run and check the result. So here you can see first result is printed as 11, that is incremented by 1, and then 10, that is decremented by 1. Then what is postfix unary operator? Postfix simply means appending the operator after the variable. So what is the difference between the both? Let's print and check. So I'm going to say sysout I plus plus and sysout I minus minus. Before this, let's print a statement saying postfix to understand the difference between the both. So in the previous operation in the prefix, we saw that value of I was now 10. So these postfix operators, do they again increment or decrement the value in the similar fashion? Let's check. So let's run the application. So here you can see on the first line the value has remained 10 itself, and on the second line it has changed to 11, that is incremented. Why has this happened? Why is the value not incremented first and then decremented? Because in postfix, the value is printed first and then incremented. So 10 is printed as it is first and then it has incremented. So on the next line, the incremented value is printed, that is 11, and then it is decremented. So by now the value of I has become 10 again. Let's just print I and check. So sysout I. So this is the difference between prefix and postfix. Prefix will increment first and then print, or decrement first and then print, and postfix will first print and then increment or decrement. So I hope you understood the difference between prefix and postfix and also understood how unary operators work. In the next video, we will study more about next operators. Till then, I recommend you to do more manipulations and practice with the unary operators. and see what output you get. If you have any questions, please mention them in the comment box below and subscribe to our channel and also share and like this video. Thank you.